Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chevy Cruze Bluetooth. First, turn off your vehicle completely and open the driver's door. This simple action helps to fully power down the electrical system. Wait for at least 30 seconds to ensure all modules, including the infotainment system, are completely off. This crucial step prepares your car for a proper Bluetooth reset, preventing any lingering power issues. Next, you'll need to clear out any old connections. Turn your car back on and access the infotainment system. Go into the settings menu, then find the Bluetooth or phone section. From there, you should see a list of all previously paired devices. Select and delete each one individually. This step is vital for a clean slate, ensuring no old data interferes with new connections. Now let's perform a full system reset. Within the same Bluetooth or phone settings, look for an option like Factory Reset or Restore Defaults. Select this option and confirm the prompt that appears on your screen. The system will then restart, which might take a minute or two. This action clears all custom settings, bringing your Bluetooth back to its original state, ready for new pairings. Finally, it's time to repair your phone. On your mobile device, make sure Bluetooth is enabled and set to discoverable. On your Chevy Cruze infotainment screen, select Pair New Device. Your phone should appear in the list. Select it and confirm the pairing code. You're all set. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.